Wee Bosch miter saw. What's that, a GMC800? Did, not a kick. Obviously not the brushes. Brush holder. This here's not meant to come out. It's meant to be in there. Yeah, the armature actually looks alright. Might be just the holder. So that wee right angle plug came out of on here, but that's the length it should be. So the rest of it is still here. So to replace that, that's all I'm waiting for. 2 of them. Retest. Do the job nicely. Two wee brass connectors instead of replacing brush holders and fields. Be cheap and cheerful parts, about €2 or €3 a piece. That's her. One Bosch saw up and running again.